Good morning, everyone. We are going to Venice Beach this morning. Yeah! It's a trip. It's early. It's 6 a.m. And we're going to get there and we're going to skate the skate park. That's the plan for today. So I hope you are down for this ride. Woo! I wore my rainbow dogs and my rainbow socks just in case the people want to know, who is she? Queer girl, straight skates. So we have gotten out of bed. We're on the way to Venice Skatepark. I have not gone to Venice Skatepark since I first started going to the skate park. So like 2 years ago was the last time I was at Venice Skatepark. And so I'm really excited to go. And on the way there, we found out that Shov's tires were not pressurized. Like they didn't have enough air in them. So now we are stopping to get air in the tires, and then we're picking up our friend Jess, and then we're on our way. Yeah. Jess is here. We picked up Jess, and now we're on our way to the skate park. So we cannot skate. Okay, so far we've learned some cool stuff. We have been hit by a skateboarder almost into the bowl, but that's okay because I was in Derby, so fuck you. And yeah, so we're just doing some cool stuff. Babe, what are your thoughts so far on Venice? Babe.
It's chill.
It's chill. Courtney Shove 2020. What's your goal, Jessie?
Try and make that.
That gap? I think you can do it. successful trip to the skate park. I hope you enjoyed this video of us at Venice Adventure. Don't mind my fucked up hair.